Polly, the positive parrot. In a dense jungle, there lived a young parrot named Polly. She was small with bright green feathers and a cheerful heart. One day, a storm struck the jungle. Many trees lost their branches, and Polly's nest fell to the ground. The other birds sighed sadly. We will never rebuild. Life is too hard now. But Polly thought differently. She told herself, if I stay strong and keep believing, I can build a new home. Things will get better. While the other birds sat in despair, Polly started picking up twigs with her beak. She worked every day, whistling happily and repeating, I can do it, I can do it. Days passed, and slowly Polly built a new nest, stronger and higher than before. The other birds, inspired by her spirit, also began to rebuild. Soon the jungle was filled with laughter, songs, and fresh nests. Moral of the story: like Polly the parrot, when we think positive and act with courage, we can turn challenges into opportunities. Positive thinking not only lifts us up but also inspires others around us.